In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this closet from a blank slate into a customized closet with double hanging and customized shelves.
Today I'm going to be installing a new closet system. So as you can see, I'm still in progress of doing the flooring in this room, but I do have the flooring in the closet done. So I'm going to go ahead and install the new closet system. I already took out the old one. I forgot to video it, but all that was in here was one wire closet shelf going across the top. So I've taken that out. I've repainted in there. And so now I'm going to be installing the Dakota Closet System. Get it from Menards.
Let me show you now how I designed the closet system online. You create Closet Planner and go to Start Designing and click on Start Designing, and now we can select what kind of closet style we have. For my closet, it's just a normal closet reach in, and then go to Continue. And now we can actually set the dimensions of everything. So my wall is about 80 inches. And now we can start designing our closet. So there's all different kinds of other features you can add. I just have a normal closet, so I don't need to add any of these other features. So now we're going to use the Dakota Closet System, and I'm going to do it in white. And now we have all of the different options that are available to purchase. And so you can really customize your closet however you want it, whether you want it to have hanging, shelves, or drawers, or anything like that. For mine, what I'm going to do is hanging, double hang on either side, and then shelves in the middle. So let me find the 24-inch double hang, just click to place it, and now I want to move it all the way there. I want to place another one all the way there. Now I want to close that because what I want to do right here is just shelves. So I'm going to use the 36-inch ones for that. Even though I don't have 36 inches, I know that I'm going to have to cut them down. But we're just going to click on that, place at the gap, and it fills it in right there. There we go. But then once you have everything done, you can go to Continue. And then you can select other options if you want to add any extra things like hardware or anything like that. I do need to add some L brackets because I need to affix it to the wall. So I'm going to add one set of that to it. I'm going to need, I don't remember if it will automatically put the wardrobe rods in or not, so I'm going to go ahead and just add 2 of those. And then I do want to actually get an extra shelf pack because I want a shelf to be at the top, the middle, and at the bottom, whereas what I've already put in there only puts it at the top and the middle. So I do want to add an extra shelf. And then it's also detecting that I'm going to need some additional L bracket hardwares because I have to cut these down. So that is good to add those. And now it's going to build my material list of everything that I'm going to need, which is really cool because then I can just print this off or email this to myself, and now I have a list of everything that I need in order to build this closet system. It's got the uprights, the 1, 2, 3, 4 uprights, and then we've got two packs of the closet shelves, so 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and then 3 of the 2 packs of the 36-inch shelves. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves there. And then we'll need the L brackets. Each one of these shelves is going to require 2 L brackets, which is 1 pack each. So we'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And then I need 1 pack to secure both of or to secure all of the units to the wall, I will need 8, but I don't need this extra one right here. Oh, it did already include my wardrobe rods, so I don't need those. But then, like I said, I do want an extra pack of the closet shelf because I want to put a shelf down here at the bottom as well. So that's why I have that there. So my total closet system for this is going to be $308.47, which is pretty good for this shelf that's a custom shelf to what I need. And so now I can just print this off. I can save it and go to Menards and pick it out, or you can also sign in or create an account and order it online.
The first step that we're going to need to do is get the uprights into the closet, and I'll be taking out some of the floorboard down here so that way the shelf can sit all the way up against the wall. I don't need to remove any of the back because the boards have a cutout right here for the trim. Because I have 36-inch shelves, but this is going to be a little bit shorter than that. Yeah, this is about 31 1/4. When I double checked my measurements for the widths between these two pieces, because apparently these walls are not level, the difference between the two units at the bottom is 31 1/2. And then by the time we get to the top, now we're at about 31 1/8. So I'm gonna have to cut each shelf individually based on its location. Putting a piece of painter's tape right where you're going to cut is going to help with the splintering of the wood, so that way you can have a smoother, cleaner edge. My miter saw is only a 7¼ inch miter saw. These boards are 14 inches, so I'm not going to be able to cut the full board, the full length, but we'll be able to do it in 2 passes.
And here's the final reveal of the closet after all of the shelves have been installed. So the way that I have this set up is that we're going to have double hanging on both sides of the closet. I just need to install the closet rods. And now they're installed, and here's what the closet looks like. Let me know what you think. Thanks!